welcome to my dining room table. Today we're going to be talking about fruits, one of my favorite food groups. It's sweet, it's delicious, there's fiber, it's good for you, can't go wrong with fruit. So we're going to be making a simple fruit salad today. Fruit, if you remember, is the part of the plant that bears the seed. So if you look on a strawberry, get close, see it's covered in little seeds, right? Bananas are a little bit more elusive, but I'm going to show you the seed inside of a banana. Some people say you should open the banana down here. When I try that, it just mashes up the banana, so I'm going to open it the human way instead of the monkey way. Peel the banana. I have such shaky hands. Oh, here we go. Okay. So if you cut the banana lengthwise, you can see these small brown dots. Those are the seeds. We're going to be making a simple fruit salad, strawberry and banana, the classic combination. So what you're going to need are some bananas and some clean strawberries that you've rinsed in the faucet. You don't want to eat them straight from the pack. They might still have some farm stuff on them. Anyway, strawberries, bananas, and a lemon if you've got it. It's not mandatory, but I'm going to show you what we do at the end with it. So you'll also need a little cutting board and a butter knife. So this is also a great time to practice our knife skills. Butter knives, they're not that sharp. See? I'm okay. I don't recommend you doing it, but I'm just illustrating that this is not a sharp knife. That's because these are soft fruits, so we don't really need a go hard butcher knife or anything here. So I'm going to take my strawberry, first off, and just cut off the green part. We don't really want to eat that part. It doesn't have all the yumminess to it. And I'm going to just make a little triangle around it. You can see I've cut almost like a heart shape. You see? And I'm just going to throw the strawberry tops into a separate bowl. That's off screen. So when you're cutting your fruit, obviously you want to cut the stem off, but also you want your fruit to be bite-sized because we don't want any choking hazards. So I'm going to cut it in half, and if you can see, I have my fingers around the strawberry and the knife is going through the middle like a train through a tunnel. And that way my fingers are safe. So I'm also holding the knife like this, where my fingers are wrapped around it, my thumb is supporting the back, and this finger is helping me push down on the top of the knife. So again, train through the tunnel, and I'm pushing straight down. And now I've got the strawberry in two halves. I'm going to do it again. The train goes through the tunnel, and I push down. And on this side, train goes through the tunnel, push down. So now I have 4 nice sized pieces that are very small and less likely to be a choking hazard. See? So I'm going to do that a few more times because I want a lot of strawberries. They're one of my favorite fruits. Let me see if I can get the camera close up. So you can see the top, I'm just cutting a V shape. Straight down. Straight down. And then we get this kind of heart-shaped strawberry. There's my trash bowl. Okay, then we're gonna do, how can I show you this angle? Now you can see my hands are on either side of the strawberry. The knife goes through the middle away from all my fingers, and I press straight down. And we'll do that again. Let's see, this direction. And then this direction. I might even do this one a little bit more. Because again, we don't want any big choking sized pieces. And then they go into my nice clean bowl. Okay, now on to my bananas. I didn't clean this, it still has some strawberry guts on it, but that's okay because they're all going to go in the same bowl. So I take one banana. I'm going to peel it starting from the top and pulling all the way down. Ooh. If you get something like this on your banana, a bruise, you could just cut that part off. We don't want to waste any food. I'm all about, what am I all about? Not wasting food. That's what I'm all about. Okay. So I have my unpeeled banana, and now I'm just gonna chop about like a 1/4 inch size pieces. Just like that, where my fingers are way out of the way of the knife, and I'm just pushing straight down. So if your banana has bruises, that's okay. Just cut around that part. We don't want to waste any food. Nobody's ever been sick or hurt from a bruise on a banana. All right, I'm gonna put them in my nice bowl with my strawberries. Mix them around a little by hand, and I'm gonna show you what they look like in just a second. Okay, so the last step is completely optional, but I like to add a little bit of lemon juice because that stops your fruit from oxidizing, which is where it kind of turns brown from being exposed to the air. And it's not gonna hurt the nutritional value, it just doesn't look so pretty when it turns brown. So we're gonna put a little lemon juice, and there's a little trick to how to get the most out of your lemon, which is you're gonna squeeze it and press it as you roll it. That kind of busts up the inside walls of the lemon so that there's more juice when you cut into it. So rolling, 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 and then I'm gonna make the tunnel again where I put my knife on the lemon, put my fingers around it like a tunnel, and then just kind of, I can't push straight through a lemon because it's hard, so I'm gonna have to saw a little bit back and forth. Very slowly without forcing anything so I don't slip. All right. So my lemon is in half, and now I'm going to show you the fruit. And we're just going to squeeze the lemon right on top. Yummy, yummy. And at this point you could mix it with a fork, or if you're making a huge bowl you might mix it with like a salad stirring spoon or tongs. But that's it. Just nice strawberries and banana with a little touch of lemon. So you can make any type of fruit salad really, from any combination of fruits that you like. My only recommendation is that you use fruits with kind of similar textures. So if you're making a citrus salad, you would have like pineapple, oranges, lemon, lime. They're all citruses, so they go well together. You could do like grapes and kiwi because they're similar in texture. You know, really have fun, experiment. And if you do make some, let me see it please. I would love to know what you're doing. All right, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're talking about fruits, my favorite food group. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Okay. The classic Okay. I'm stitching. We're going to be making a simple fruit salad, perfect for a first timer. Blip. And I'm just going to push straight down, and I'm going to make pieces that are about, blip. You know what? Oops. Julie and Alexis. All done. Okay? All done. So I have my unpeeled, no, lordy, that's bruised. So I got my nanner. Why did I say that? Take a load off. All right, so the last step, I should have transitioned better. Anyway, and now you can see I've got 4 smaller pieces that are not choking size. Should I bring up the macabre? I don't. What?